You know, I still like working on these little micro solar powered battery charger generator deals. Show you a couple of quick things I did this morning. Got that auxiliary LED car off-road light plugged into the 12-volt cigarette lighter power socket. You can use this as a lighter or a 12-volt power socket right there. I just have a small little 10 amp hour battery inside there. And I've got another one on order at Dakota Lithium 24 amp hour. Inverter is not on. I'm going to be replacing this with a Renogy negative ground version of a 30 amp. This is only like a 10 amp hour deal here, but they make a 30 amp that has a negative ground, so I can utilize the grounding lug on here, which everything will be grounded for the safety and for the inverter here. 300 watt pure sine wave, right? So this is just a temporary 10 amp hour lithium battery down here, and I'll be replacing that with Dakota Lithium 24 amp hour, like I said before. Now, as for the PV input back here, I had a small, let me show you. I had a small little pigtail deal I made out of this 5.5 millimeter to 2.1, but this is 18 gauge right here. So I popped some MC4 connectors on there. Didn't like it. It's just too thin a wire. So I had this SAE 2-pin harness combiner deal. So I just threw some MC4s on here. This is 8 AWG. This is stupid thick. And put some MC4 connectors on there and utilize the SAE 2-port or 2-pin port right here, sidewall port. Just plug it in, good and tight. And these are parallel together right here. So you can use either or for solar input, PV input. And down here with the lithium, it's an SAE also. So if you want to parallel in another battery, which I probably will, you get more amp hours. So you can run longer. Just don't have much sun to work with at all. But that's okay. That's okay. Pretty cool, huh? This is the do-it-yourself made box here. Bugger out box. Lightweight. I haven't weighed it yet. It's probably about, I don't know, 10, 12 pounds. Maybe 15. A lot lighter than weighing using AGM battery in there. So it's not quite ready for prime time, but just doing some mods here, improving upon what I did before. You can see the outlet right there. Also put some feet on the bottom, right down here, if you can see that. Air cooled. See the holes? The fan right here. Let me turn this off here. So this is just for the LED light right here. This is the master switch, which also turns the blower fan on and off. Right back here, which blows out air right there. Good airflow. Nice marine grade handle. There you have it. Good to go. This needs more battery. Solar charge controller. Good one with a negative ground. Be good to go.